It was a rainy Saturday morning. Sarah was bored. She looked out the window and saw the rain pouring down. What can I do today? She thought. She turned on her computer and checked her email. There were no new messages. Then, she went on the internet and browsed some websites. After a while, she got tired of looking at the computer screen. Sarah decided to call her friend, Alex. "Hi, Alex," she said. "What are you doing today?" "Hi, Sarah," Alex replied. "I'm stuck at home too because of the rain. I was thinking of playing some games on my computer." "Cool, maybe we can play a game online together?" Sarah suggested. "Great idea," Alex said. "What kind of game do you want to play?" They decided on a fun online puzzle game and spent the next few hours playing together and laughing. Even though the weather was bad, Sarah wasn't bored anymore. She was happy to be spending time with her friend, even if it was virtually. What do you like to do for fun?
I like to listen to music and watch movies.
Cool. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and sometimes rock music.
Do you ever play games on your computer?
Yes, sometimes. I like puzzle games.
What about you, Alex? What do you like to do?
I like to play sports, especially soccer.
Do you watch sports on TV too?
Yes, I do.